Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're having a good day out there. I want to start off with some good news as rain is in the forecast here. Coming through really Friday night and Saturday. Some heavier rain may be up here on the High Line and around the glacier area. However, we do have some wet weather on the way. No, it's not dark yet in Helena. It's kind of grayish outside. 89 degrees, the current temperature. 82 in Great Falls, 81 up in Cut Bank out the High Line. We're up into the 80s here as well. A very warm day. Wind has been a little erratic. Southwest in Lewistown, east in Havre, northeast in Great Falls. It was northeast in Helena. Now it's west. Look at Missoula, a little stronger west wind out there. So a little all over the place. But tomorrow, the wind will be predominantly from the west and pretty strong. Some gusts, maybe 25 to 30 miles per hour. Humidity pretty low out there as well. Look at Dillon, 15%, 17% out in Lewistown. We're trending in the wrong direction in Great Falls and Helena. Going over to moderate here soon. A little nicer air, cleaner air. Farther east you go, a little more in the way of smoke, closer to wildfires. Plus, we're closer to the southwest flow that is blowing some smoke up from California here. So big fires, California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho. And I've plotted the fires that, again, are still receiving attention from firefighters. But these are the fires that are actually emitting some good smoke plumes. So need to extend this because that haystack fire down there southwest of Boulder, that smoke plume is all the way out past Roundup, heading to around the Miles City area right now. So that's pretty big smoke plume, a sign of moderate activity, of moderate burning going on with that fire. But through tonight and tomorrow, more wildfire smoke coming from southwestern Montana, from central Idaho, and big time concentration of smoke northern California and southern Oregon, and that will continue likely through Friday. But Friday night into Saturday, we may clear some of this out as we could get some rain on those fires, also Idaho into Montana. This wildfire smoke computer model does not take into account the rain and the possibility that may knock down some of that activity on those fires there. Just kind of assumes that, the model that is, assumes that we're going to keep going with the activity on those fires. Haystack fire, Alder Creek fire, Christensen fire, Trail Creek fire. That's a big plume of smoke on the radar. The radar picking that up. That's not wet weather. Do have a bunch of wet weather moving up the east coast with some severe weather into the northeast. Tomorrow will be severe weather here for Montana with a red flag warning for pretty much most of the states. So watch that fire danger. The air quality is going to get worse here. But look at as we get into Friday, maybe parts of Oregon and northern California with a low pressure moving through. Showed you those fires into Idaho and even eastern Washington, western Montana, starting to see some shower and thunderstorm activity here. And through Friday night, there we are, midnight into Saturday morning. Some wet weather, some cooler temperatures, an increase in the relative humidity, and we likely will see some rain on the fires again. Maybe a stray shower Sunday night into Monday, but our best chance of seeing some wet weather will be coming through Friday night into Saturday. Tonight's pretty warm considering we've been in the 40s here recently, generally into the 50s to about 60 degrees. Here's the forecast for tomorrow, looking at temperatures up into the 90s, a few degrees warmer than where they were today. West winds maybe gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. So that is not a good combination for the fire danger. Then Friday, eastern Montana will still have some pretty high fire danger. The wind will be dying down and switching around to the north as we go through the day on Friday. Showers and thunderstorms coming in late, maybe more so late evening than late afternoon. Friday night and Saturday morning into Saturday afternoon, the low will move across the state. Looks like, again, the northern part of the state will have a better chance at seeing some wet weather. Cooler temperatures as well and higher humidity than Sunday. Maybe a shower up on the Canadian border and in the central mountains. So here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. 94, west winds up to about 20 miles per hour tomorrow. Rain likely coming through Friday night and Saturday. May have a thunderstorm Friday evening, followed by some rain on Friday night. And the rest of the weekend looking pretty nice. Great Falls, rain Friday night and Saturday, and nicer weather by Sunday.